How to create application using Websim AI. So just head over to websim.ai, and then from in there you should be able to see the search bar right here. So for example, let's make in here an application that can count or that can solve scientific problems. That can solve scientific problems. Now head over and then send this to them, and in just a few seconds it will create that particular application for you. So just wait for this to finish the loading process. Take note that it will not take around 10 seconds, and you can see that it actually created as this. So you can head over and then you can see we have now this app right here, our website app, and you can head over and describe your scientific problem. So I have added right here a physics question, and you can click on the solve problem right here, and then this particular application right here will solve your problem. It will only take some seconds as well, and you should be able to see it from there. So that's how you create an application using Websim AI. Hope we helped.